Pilates. Is it boring, or does it just look boring from the outside?
Is it too slow to actually make a difference? Or is that slowness hiding something deeper?
Does it even make you sweat enough to count as a real workout?
Or maybe we're simply doing it wrong.
When most people think about working out, they imagine intensity.
They think about jumping, sweating, pushing harder and faster every second.
They imagine noise, pressure, and exhaustion. But Pilates looks different.
It looks calm, controlled, almost too easy to take seriously.
So calm, in fact, that many people assume it's not challenging at all.
Then you try it for the first time. You get on the mat, you start moving, and everything feels surprisingly easy. You go through the motions and think, wait, that's it? This doesn't feel like a workout.
And then something changes. Very slowly, almost quietly, the shaking begins.
Your muscles start to react in a way you didn't expect.
Not explosive, not dramatic, but undeniable.
And suddenly your legs feel like they're giving up on you. Quietly, without warning.
They're already writing their resignation letter.
Here's the truth most people don't realize.
Pilates is not about building bigger muscles or chasing a pump.
It's about building better muscles. Stronger, more connected, more aware. It's about waking up muscles that have been asleep for years. Small movements can look simple from the outside, but when you slow them down,
they become something completely different.
Because in Pilates, slow doesn't mean easy.
Slow means you are in control of every single detail.
And when you truly slow down,
you can't cheat the movement anymore.
There's no momentum to help you. There are no shortcuts to escape the effort.
And there's absolutely nowhere to hide.
It's just you.
And the truth of what your body can actually do.
And then comes the breath.
You inhale slowly and fully, feeling your body expand. You exhale, controlled and intentional, keeping every muscle engaged.
Because in Pilates, breathing is not separate from movement. It is part of the movement itself.
Even the smallest adjustment matters. A few centimeters can completely change how a muscle works.
Alignment, control, and awareness.
These are the real challenges.
It may not look intense from the outside,
but on the inside, it's deeply intense.
After 1 week, something subtle begins to change.
You stand a little straighter without even noticing.
After 2 weeks, your core feels stronger, more stable.
After a month, you start moving differently in your daily life.
You look in the mirror, and something feels different.
Not necessarily bigger,
but definitely better.
And yes, those abs you were looking for,
they were there all along.
They just needed to be activated.
Some workouts only make you tired.
Pilates teaches your body how to move better. Some workouts push you harder. Pilates aligns you and builds real control. So, is Pilates hard?
Yes, it is. But it's not loud, aggressive, or overwhelming.
It's quietly hard. Slow, but incredibly effective.
Simple, but surprisingly powerful.
This is not about rushing to get results.
This is not about ego or pushing through pain blindly.
This is about control. And control is real strength.
So if you're not looking for quick fixes,
but something that actually lasts,
if you want a strong, stable foundation for your body,
roll out your mat. And let's begin. And yes, you will probably feel sore tomorrow. But this time, it will feel like progress. If you watched this video and thought, that looks easy, try the movements yourself, then we'll talk again.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
I'm Rose, See you in the next video.